At 5'11" and slender, Pam was known as Twiggy throughout high school. Her energy was always high and she was active, playing several different sports. But just a few short years later, things began to change. Pam got married, started a new job, and had 2 kids. In other words, her life got busy, and the increased demands just added to her stress. So she began to eat. Food became her friend, her comfort, and her confidant. But 75 pounds later, she realized it was her biggest enemy. She tried diet and exercise. It didn't work. Her weight would go down, then shoot right back up. Pam struggled with her body image. One day after buying a new dress, she asked her son if she looked fat. His reply, "Do you want me to lie, or do you want the truth?"
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.
Pam was devastated. Like most women, Pam was frustrated. She was doing everything right, but the weight wouldn't budge. If Pam had only known about the breakthrough research from Stanford University, she could have ended her suffering. Research that finally reveals the real reason why she and millions of others simply can't lose weight. She'd be surprised to know that it has little to do with diet or exercise. Instead, Stanford researchers have uncovered a previously hidden fat-fueling hormone that acts as a catalyst, turning fresh, healthy stem cells into unhealthy fat cells. And it's this hormone that dictates how much fat we carry, how much we burn, and whether or not the food we eat is used for energy or stored as belly, hip, and thigh fat. But that's only part of it. You see, not only did researchers discover this rogue fat-boosting hormone, they also learned how to stop it. And unlike most other weight loss strategies you see online or read about in magazines, this new medically proven fat loss breakthrough is something that any person can immediately take advantage of, all from the comfort of their own home, in just a few moments a day, in combination with a healthy diet and exercise. So keep watching to see what this new Stanford discovery is, and how you can start using it right away to slow down and even stop the formation of new fat cells, while melting away current unwanted fat from even the most troublesome areas, putting an end to the frustration of up and down weight battles for good. Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Lark. In this presentation, I'll share with you the fat-forming hormone discovered by Stanford University, and you'll see why some are calling this breakthrough the biggest weight loss discovery ever. In addition, I'll show you studies done by top universities, so that you can see the proof with your own eyes. I'm talking about studies from Harvard, Yale, and Johns Hopkins, to name a few. I will also give you a simple step-by-step breakdown of how this new hormone works, and better yet, how it can easily help limit the production of new fat. That way you can try it for yourself, from the comfort of your own home, pretty much right away. Plus, in just a few minutes from now, I'm also going to reveal the surprising reason why all of the most popular diets fail to deliver long-term weight loss benefits, and what the real culprit is behind your inability to shed excess pounds. You're really going to want to see this, by the way, because it helps explain why you've always struggled to lose excess body fat no matter what you've tried. All of that and a whole lot more is coming your way inside this special report. So make sure to pay close attention, because no matter how much weight you need to lose or how frustrated you may be feeling right now, once you begin using the fat-burning breakthrough I'll be sharing today, it could immediately feel like you've been given the keys to the fat loss kingdom. A kingdom that you've never been allowed to enter. Instead, you've been standing on the outside looking in. You've been kept away from reaching your weight loss goals, making you tired, frustrated, and feeling as if there is no hope. Well, right now, we're finally going to unlock the gate and let you in. I hope you're looking forward to this because the time is now. Like I mentioned earlier, my name is Dr. Dan Lark. I'm a board-licensed physician specializing in regenerative medicine. I'm also a medical school professor. That's why I set out to prove that very simple changes in someone's diet could help them recover from a variety of health issues, even potentially avoiding them altogether. And I must tell you, in all of my research, I've never found anything with a more negative impact on overall health than excess body fat. That's because along with excess weight comes problems with blood sugar, insulin, heart trouble, and inflammation. which is why weight loss has always been a big part of my practice. And as a doctor who has helped countless people improve their health by shedding excess weight, I thought I knew just about everything about fat loss and metabolism. That was until I stumbled across this bizarre scientific discovery. And when I saw that it was made by researchers at Stanford University, I was impressed and admittedly a little humbled, because this news completely changed my approach to weight loss. And it wasn't until I started sharing this fat-blocking breakthrough with my patients, men and women who had a variety of weight loss issues and body types, that I realized just how powerful it truly was.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,